everybody, say hi to David.
Hi there.
He is taking me to the Social Security office. We are changing to him to be my... Hey, we've arrived. He is going to be my new trustee. You guys give him some love and be sure and say thank you to Leslie for the years of care that she's given me. We're going to go get her done. To go in. I got you, David. Sorry. We're about to go in and surprise my friend Jay that I haven't seen for a long time. And this is his store.
Gonna see if she can find anything to fit in the van.
Yeah, that'd be great.
Hey, what's going on?
So if you're in the Denver area, come by my friend Jay's store. You guys have seen it before, but it is fabulous. He's fabulous. You have to give him a hug and tell him hi from Debra and Robert. Look at this lamp. There's two of them. Somebody needs this lamp. Come give it at home. I just love this tree-lined sidewalk of shops. You guys come check it out.